afternoon. I'm your host, Natalia.
And I'm Gabby. And you're watching the CMS Broadcast.
It's Wednesday, December 18th.
Winter break starts this Friday. The first day after the break will be Tuesday, January 7th. Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Nope.
Oh, well, that's cool. You know, New Year, new me.
Yep. Just a reminder to get to all of your classes on time with all of your needed materials. The school-wide competition ends today. The winning grade will receive their party tomorrow. The unofficial score for yesterday was 8th grade in 3rd place with 62 tardies, 7th grade in 2nd with 43 tardies, and 6th grade in 1st place with 34. But remember, these are not official.
Who do you think's gonna win?
I don't know, but it's looking pretty good for the 8th grade.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's National Twin Day.
Oh, cool. Do you have a twin?
No, but they're pretty cool.
Anyway, the last home girls basketball game is tonight, and the final game of the year will be tomorrow at Western Christian. Good luck, Lady Bucks.
Good luck, anyway. If you're interested in boys basketball, there's a sign-up sheet in the office.
The 8th grade class went to the high school this morning for the job fair.
Are there any cool jobs you got your eye on?
I mean, I don't know. Yeah, not really.
That's cool. Tomorrow is the winter ball dance. It will take place between 11 to 12:30 p.m. in the gym. There'll also be a movie room option for those not attending the dance. Just a reminder that you have to stay in the space you selected on the survey.
If you haven't taken that survey for the dance, you need to do it ASAP, because if you don't fill it out, you'll be assigned to one of the groups.
Oh, I better fill that out right now then.
Yeah, I need to do that too. Want to hear the character of the week?
Sure.
Drum roll, please. The Grinch! Yay!
Yeah, he's my favorite Dr. Seuss character.
I think the Lox is pretty much better.
Who would win in a fight between the Grinch and the Lorax?
Oh, the Lorax for sure. He speaks for the trees.
Actually, I'm not so sure about that because the Grinch is pretty ripped.
But the Lorax is jacked.
The Grinch is actually better than the Lorax because he's gonna have a pretzel with cheese tomorrow.
That sounds pretty yummy. I think I'm gonna order that too.
That's right. Tomorrow for lunch is a yummy pretzel with cheese.
Oh, yeah. Yay! Anyway, that's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye! Good evening. Wait. Cut.
Go.
Good afternoon. Cut. Okay.
Walk in.
Good. Is camera on?
Yep.
Sure?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. I don't think it is.
It definitely is.
Let me check.
Girl!
There's no...
It's on. It's literally recording.
Is it?
Okay, just go. He's gonna see all this. Hi, future Mr. Salzman.